afternoon, Aling Lokang ay mali, mayaman. How's your trip to Tagaytay?
What about you?
May I see?
Yeah, this is the one. Oh, so...
Give me an example, please. Give me an example. Thank you very much, Aling Lokang mayaman. Let's proceed to our tour to the jeep. Hey, you, Sir Aling Lokang mahirap. How's your trip to Tagaytay?
Mayaman naman. It is okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. You.
Tagaytay has many.
Aling magandang mayaman. How's your trip to Tagaytay?
So very fun. I love it.
You love it?
Yes, I love it.
I hate it. I hate it very much. Thank you very much.
Sa camera.
You again. How's your trip to Tagaytay? Aling magandang magluplut. How's your trip to Tagaytay?
Pwede ba Tagalog?
Opo, pwede po.
Masaya.
How can you describe masaya? How? Ha 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 ha. Okay. How's your trip to Tagaytay? Hey, you How's your trip to Tagaytay? And you're drinking water. Why are you drinking water? How's your trip to Tagaytay? Abigail, how's your trip to Tagaytay?
Walang sumasagot.
Nahiya. Okay. Atay Malin, how's your trip to Tagaytay?
Okay. Nasira na aking manicure.